Hey guys, we're back. We're just heading out to set up on the power line clearing here and trying to do a little coyote hunting across it. We've had a lot of sign down there lately. You can hear them there almost every night, so we'll try and get on a few of them and see what we can do. I got my electronic collar with me and an electronic decoy as well. And got the old coyote rifle on the back. Didn't bring the red light tonight because not intending on being out here long enough to need it. So we'll get set up here and we'll check back in with you guys on that. Walking up to set up for that coyote hunt and just stumbled across this. That is a very big brack. So hopefully he's still in the area, guys. That'd be a real nice dog to harvest. A couple more deer in the woods. Alright, just want to give you that. What's up, guys? Wow, we set up. Doing a little coyote hunt. See what we can get on. Just got here. I think the decoy died because it's down there spazzing out, so that's not great, but we'll see how it goes. We got the decoy set up right down here below us. I'll have to put my camera around to show you guys, but we'll show you this. The decoy and the speaker are right down there. Only about 75 yards out. I think you can see the well, guys, you know, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. And lo and behold, collar died, decoy died, and all we had was a couple of crows that screamed at us. Like that one. So we're gonna get out of here and try and go get to town and get some batteries. We got a spot in town we can try out. Not necessarily in town, but a lot closer to home. Was there the other day about a skunk problem and a beaver issue. So I was scouting and happened to cross a bunch of coyote tracks. And we'll see if we can't set up on them and see what we can do with it. Alrighty, thanks guys.